The women's wing of the Nyotrap National Youth Front HNYF held a press conference on Friday, 4th of February, to express their concern about the non-payment of salaries and other pending issues of staff of the Meghalaya Transport Corporation. Speaking to reporters, the president of the HNYF Women's Wing, Betty Jirwa, said that the women's delegation had earlier met the managing director of the Meghalaya Transport Corporation to appeal for the payment of pending salaries and other dues to the staff, the enhancement of such salaries through graded pay scale, the filling up of 1,000 vacant positions, and other issues. The members of the HNYF Women's Wing said that they will not stop in their fight for the rights of the staff of the corporation and for the youth of the state.
Kajingkran MD mene uang ba la nadu arhajar nyau arhajar kat nyau arhajar kat nyau ke MTC kala bun ki jingpang tela dang yo ke officer ngatrai kum ki kun samla ki jongi menta ki babun ki officer ki badon nak jong ke jingpuli ngina kalian kesen ni diman nya kan ba ki de ban khot mardor ya ki pus ki bedang teli hapo ka MTC. Isen na kaliang jungi kaseng nginom song thai kini nginang budin but how minister ng transport ng sa submit yaki memorandum kat kung rijing dawa jungi kaseng kini kwa abau MD uday ban pensay halor jo kini kipus kiba nadu arhajar khatnyaw balay bau krem tungsu hapo eto head office menta jo ke MTC kumot long kibadon hangtu kidey daki baterai kum kini ki engineer badai na po workshop jongka ni ka karkhana kidi karkhana mo ki workshop mo ki engineer ki henry menta ki wan penyaj man hang ni po head office dina kaliang jungi ka seng nom la ban pediang but dalile ngin nom la ban pediang ba ya kini ki beri ki bala song thai ru bakin wan join biang hapo ka office nomor ki kun samla jungi menta ki bun ki bom yo kam yo jam balai sapoi kini ki kiat ki drugs ki kenja ki bun ki kam snio bajelai hapo state Meghalayan jungi namar ba kum ki pos ki batliru kini ki office lani ki officer lani kum minister badai pet ya kan ka transport ru umla arte ban play ya kata ka kalat kelenti ban yo kam yo jam ki kun samla jungi